Good morning, dear students. Today, let's learn Standard 8 Maths. First lesson Rational and Irrational Numbers. In the previous video, we have learned Practice Set 1.2 and 1.3. Today, let's learn Practice Set 1.4 Construction of Root Numbers on a Numbered Line. Before starting practice set, let's see what is the definition of irrational number. An irrational number cannot be written in the form n upon d, where n and d are integers and d is non-zero. It means fraction numbers are not called as irrational numbers. Only non-perfect squares are called as irrational numbers. Now, let's see the decimal form of irrational number. An irrational number is a decimal that never terminates and never repeats. It must be represented with the symbol square root of a numbers that are not perfect squares. Here, children, let's see square root of 16 equal to 4 because 16 is a perfect square. But square root of 7 is a non-perfect square. So, root 7 is a irrational number. Children, here are some examples of rational and irrational numbers. Now, let's begin practice set 1.4. Question number 1. The number root 2 is shown on a number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. Fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. This is the diagram of question number 1. It is a right angle triangle, children. OQ is a side 1, QR is a side 2, OR is a hypotenuse. Children, here OQ is given root 2, QR is a 1 unit, and here hypotenuse is not given. We have to find out hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. Now, this is the question. Length OQ is given root 2, length QR is given 1. By using the Pythagoras theorem, children, we will find out hypotenuse. What is the formula of Pythagoras theorem, children? Hypo square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Here it is given OR square equal to OQ square plus QR square. Here OQ is given root 2 and QR is given 1. Square root of 2 is, children, 2 and 1 square is 1. 2 plus 1 we get, children, 3 and length OR equal to 3. Now question number 2. Show the number root 5 on the numbered line. Root 5 is an irrational number, children. We have to represent on a numbered line. For that we have to construct. Practice set 1.4, question number 2. Show the number root 5 on the number line. This root 5 is an irrational number. We have to show on a number line. First of all, draw the line, children, without any measure and take 0 and this is O. From 0, children, we take 1 unit. That 1 unit distance we take 3 centimeter. You can take 4 centimeter also, children, but if you are taking a 3 centimeter, you get accurate figure. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter equal to 1 unit. I'll give here name P and this is the 1 unit. Now, from point P, take 90 degree with the protractor. Exactly 90 degree because we have to draw one perpendicular line. Now, draw the line join to this P. put perpendicular symbol, right angle symbol. Now take your compass, children. This 0 to P is 1 unit. 1 unit equal to, we have taken 3 centimeter. Same 3 centimeter, children, take with your compass. 3 centimeter. Keep on the P and take arc. Now here at the arc, give the name R, and this R and O, join these two. Now children, here this OPR is a right angle triangle. This OP is 1 unit, PR is also 1 unit, but OR we don't know. We have to find out this hypotenuse. So we will find hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So this OR is your hypotenuse. So what you will write here? Length OR square equal to OP square, length OP square plus length PR. OR we don't know, we have to find out. OP is 1 unit. So take 1 square, and this PR also 1 unit. So take 1. 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1. You get 2. Means length OR square equal to 2. But we have to find out only OR. This square, it comes here, it convert into square root. OR equal to square root 2. Means this distance OR equal to root 2. This OR distance is root 2. Now take children again compass, keep on the O origin, it means keep on the R and draw the one arc. Draw one arc. See children, keep on the O and keep your pencil on the arc and draw the arc. This here, this arc intersect this line, it is known as root 2. Now again children, draw the one perpendicular line joining this arc only. Exactly draw one perpendicular line. Here also children, same, take 3 centimeter arc on this line. 3 centimeter arc exactly. Measure here PR. What is the distance of PR? Keep here and take arc. Here children, this arc you give name S. Now S and O, join this. Take the dot 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 dot. You join this. After that children, again keep your compass point on the O, means your origin, and this pencil keep on the S and draw the arc. Now this arc intersect here. This is your root 3. Same children, joining this arc, draw one more line perpendicular. Draw again a straight perpendicular line. Give arrow mark. Again children, take 3 centimeter, means that is your 1 unit. Give the arc. Now give the name here T. T and O, join. Give the dot dot. Join these two. Now take your compass again. Keep on O and this pencil on the T. and intersect the line. Now root 4. We have to construct up to root 5. This is your root 4. Means one more arc we want. Draw again perpendicular line. Give the arrow mark. Again take 3 centimeter. Means 3 centimeter means your 1 unit. So take the arc. Now this arc you give the name U, and arc and this O join dot 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 dot. Now children, take again your compass, keep on the O and this pencil on the U and draw the arc. Now here is root 5. This way children, you have to construct the irrational numbers on a number line. Root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5.